I'm Marina, and I'm the hands behind Draw with Marina. While my main content is all about teaching you how to draw in Procreate, I occasionally venture off and share with you the latest tech gadgets, and this is one of them. In full disclosure, I was sent this Luna ring for free to review. I wasn't paid for this video, and all opinions are my own. So as you can see, smart rings are officially having their moment, and the Luna ring Gen 2 wants to be the one on your finger. No subscription cost, no smartwatch bulk. Just a titanium ring that quietly tracks everything. First impressions, it looks pretty sharp. It has 5 color options, titanium build with a subtle ripple texture on the outside that gives it some personality. It weighs next to nothing. We're talking about like 3 to 5 grams depending on your ring size, and it's slim enough that you genuinely forget you're wearing it, even overnight. And with every smart ring, you need to make sure you have the right ring size. Just a quick tip, make sure you wear it a couple of days to ensure you have the right ring size because your fingers tend to swell up and down during the day and the night. All right, let's do the unboxing experience. The brand is on point, everything feels neat and tidy, and all components are individually wrapped. Let's talk battery life. It comes with a charger and a USB-C cord. It runs between 4 to 7 days, and the charging case can actually store a week's worth of extra top-ups, so you're rarely tethered to an outlet, and you could take the charger on the go. This is a big win compared to the Aura Ring, which charges you extra for a non-tethered charging case. After downloading the app, you can enter in your preliminary information. All right, so let's dive right into the app. I've been wearing this ring for about a week now, and so once you log in, you could see your readiness, which right now for me it's only fair. And then my sleep is 88%, which was optimal. It also has your circadian alignment. So right now it says my caffeine window is open. And if I click onto that, it gives me a little bit more detail, meaning my caffeine window is gonna close in 5 hours, 16 minutes, and 56 seconds. And it does a little more of a deep dive as you scroll down. And today I've done a 31-minute walk, and it's rating it at 92 optimal with 1980 steps. Also has your top vitals here, your heart rate, your stress levels, your SpO2, and your skin temperature. And the skin temperature for you ladies is really, really good at tracking ovulation and your cycle. Also your stress management, if I click on here, right now, I guess I'm at 66%. I'm focused, a little bit more on the stress side, probably because I just had a lot of caffeine. And you can also set your daily steps. I'm actually gonna up that to about 10,000. And your hydrate levels, cycle tracker for ladies, and your sleep planner down at the bottom. You can also set up an alarm. So another great thing is that it has this AI chat box that you could type into. So for example, yesterday I had an alert that says pay attention. So I'm just gonna go into their Life OS and I'm gonna ask, why did I have to pay attention to my readiness score yesterday? So what it's telling me is that my HRV was unusually low, my recovery index was flagged, and my readiness score was in the low 50s, which is below my norm. And it says it usually reflects cumulative stress, mental or physical. So basically my parasympathetic system was asking for support. So I should reduce my stress with light movement, hydration, even magnesium or breathing work, and less intensity overall. And you can also keep asking it questions. And the best thing about this is that there is no subscription. There are so many different things in here that show you your biometrics. And of course, if you're stumped, you can always ask their AI assistant, Life OS. Overall, this is an amazing app and really deep dives into your health. In closing, the Luna Ring is a great tracker for monitoring your biometrics. The only smart ring with a voice AI that can answer, "Why am I so tired today?" The biggest selling point here is simple: no subscription. You pay once and you get everything. In a market where competitors charge monthly just to see your own health data, that's a meaningful advantage. For more drawing tutorials and gadget reviews, be sure to subscribe to Draw with Marina.